If the ant infestation returns after using baking soda and powdered sugar, act quickly and methodically to stop reinfestation. First, increase cleanliness everywhere ants travel by removing all food residues and storing pantry items in airtight containers to deprive them of attractants. Repeat the baking soda and powdered sugar treatment along known trails every 3 to 4 days until you see a clear decline, because the method works slowly and requires persistence. Inspect and seal entry points using silicone caulk around baseboards, utility penetrations, and window frames. For gaps larger than 1/4 inch, use foam backer rod before caulking. Fix any moisture sources such as leaking pipes, dripping faucets, or damp crawl spaces, since ants favor humid environments and moisture attracts other pests they feed on. If the colony persists despite these steps, place commercial ant baits with boric acid or other slow-acting active ingredients along trails and near nests, so foraging workers take poison back to the queen and brood. Keep monitoring for 2 to 4 weeks after bait placement and rotate bait types if one formula does not reduce activity, because colonies can reject baits that do not match local preferences. Common issues are misidentifying the ant species, which leads to using ineffective baits or placements, so observe size, color, and trail behavior, and switch bait type if you do not see worker removal within 1 to 2 weeks. Another mistake is cleaning trails too aggressively right after baiting, which removes the scent cues ants use to recruit nestmates, so avoid scrubbing treated trails for at least 48 hours to keep foragers returning to the dabbing bait. A third concern is relying solely on surface treatments without fixing structure problems like gaps in weather stripping or plumbing penetrations, so pair surface controls with physical exclusion and moisture repairs to stop reentry. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who can inspect structural entry points, fix leaks, and advise on targeted pest control services to complement DIY efforts. We also help contractors find work and run a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange practical tips and real-world experiences.